Okay, so now we will discuss multiple legends. The topic for today's discussion will be multiple legends. Sometimes when designing a plot, you'd like to add multiple legends to the same axis. Unfortunately, Matplotlib does not make this easy. Via the standard legend interface, it is only possible to create a legend for the entire plot. If you try to create a second legend using plt.legend or ax.legend, it will simply override the first one. We can work around this by creating a new legend artist from scratch and then using the lower level add.ax.add underscore artist function method to manually add the second artist to the plot. Now let me show you how. Okay. Ax is equals to plt dot subplots. Now lines. Now styles. The styles will be the same as we used to do. So I'm just going to copy that down from previous files. Now x is equals to np dot linspace. Now for I in range 4, sorry, here. Now lines plus is equals to ax dot plot x and b dot sin x minus I steric and p dot pi divide now comma styles I color is equals to black ax dot axis will be equal. Now specify the lines and labels of the first legend. Now we will write the comment here. The comment will be specifying the labels and lines of the first legend. Now let's do that. Ax dot legend lines to line A, line B, LOC, sorry, OC equals to upper right frame on equals to false. Now create the second legend and add the artist manually. Now from Matplotlib, import legend leg legend ax lines to semicolon line D, LOC, lower right frame on, let's do false. Now ax dot add artist now we will get a split plot legend. So now this is the peek into the low-level artist objects that compose any Matplotlib plot. If you examine the source code of ax.legend function, recall that you can do this with an IPython notebook using ax.legend. You'll see that the function simply consists of some logic to create a suitable legend artist, which is then often saved in the legend attribute and added to the figure when the plot is drawn. So we have this, ignore this, from matplotlib.legend. Actually that's the capital L. Now it will show you without an error. So we have this. Okay, now we will move on to customizing color bars.